on, YouTubers? As you can tell by my video before my intro, it has been a rough couple of days. I am actually headed to CJ's to see how bad the damage is, but I was actually shooting to do another video. It wasn't for what you're about to go through now. So, granted, now I have a tore up car. We'll see how bad it is. It's not the first time I've had to work on the transmission. It probably won't be the last. I'm really contemplating whether I'm even going to stick with the MT82 or if I'm going to quit fighting it and go automatic. Or maybe even a T56. Problem is, everybody wants thousands of dollars for a T56. So, we're going to go over to CJ's, the Mad Scientist. I'll get you some footage of us taking it apart. We'll see how bad it is, and we'll go from there. Now I am headed to Florence. It's about 3 hours away, so road trip to take my transmission back to Rob, Black Widow Transmissions. He's a good guy. We're gonna take it up there, see if he can crack open the case, see if he can let me know what happened, see what failed. Yeah, we'll find out, but as soon as I know, you'll know, because I'll post it up here. So, road trip. Alright, so I am 100 miles in and 100 miles to go. This is a horrific drive. It's nothing but straight roads. But I have been able to listen to my podcast and audiobooks. So, here goes the next 100. Which is me going to go. Get ready for the carnage. Holy moly.
Right, that just fell out. See the bolt, the bolt that holds it in.
Yeah.
The bolt holds this in. So this just came out when I took it.
Right. Yeah. Oh yeah, no worries.
So they tore this up. There's your magnet.
Well, I guess it's a good thing you put that back in, huh?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I always do that. Now, what we have to do. Well, you've still got plenty of fluid in there. Set this thing to the side.
What's left of it? Rest of it is right there. Yep. This is actually what it's supposed to look like. Good job, Daniel.
That broke. That's your second down here. I think we put another new second on there for you.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And we put a new second and a new
Third.
output shaft.
Well, we did third. I was third. Yeah, I was third. Yeah.
That's right. Yep, your third and your third driver. I'm trying to figure out what's locking up.
I know when it locked up, it wasn't. The motor wasn't enough to move it. It just like the whole car would like shuddering.
All right.
Alright folks, so I'm leaving Rob's Black Widow Transmissions. I'm on the 3-hour drive back home. Give you some details. It looks like basically I broke the counterbalance shaft, as well as second gear, which makes no sense. I wasn't in second gear when I left. And we also have something binding up that was going to take several hours to get to. Didn't have the time today, going to run out of light. I'd like to make it home by a certain time, see the family and such. So he's going to let me know what else broke, because when you go to spin the output shaft, it seems fine. If you go to spin the input shaft, it hangs up, and it shouldn't, but it hangs up, and you start hearing something in the lower part of the transmission, something we couldn't see where just a flashlight or trying to look down in there. You might be able to tell in some of the video was trying to see what else was going down, but something else definitely broke. I don't know. Maybe I'm obviously gonna get it fixed, try to see if I can drive the car for a little while. Let me know y'all's suggestions if I should go automatic, if I should switch transmissions. I had that transmission with over 40-something thousand miles on it, with no issues drag racing it, driving it, doing anything. Had it rebuilt and went to a stage 1, and one launch tears it up. So don't know. It's obviously going to probably be down for a couple weeks. Tomorrow the pump should be in, so I'll probably grab some footage and I'll post up us installing the new 3-pump system. But as of right now, I am going to go to the house, have a couple drinks, and relax, and wait to hear back from Rob to find out what may have happened. So again, I will see you next week. If you like this, or if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Please share, like. We're up to 125 subscribers so far. That is awesome. That's beating my goal. So thank you. And again, I'll see y'all next week. Thanks.